Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am doing a bow tutorial for you, and this is very simple. You will need 3 colors of ribbon with wire, and you're going to cut 2 strips of each color at 16 inches. This ribbon is 1.5 inch width and the other 2 are 2.5 inch width, and they all 3 have wire. Now you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to make a loop and leave some of the end where that you can squeeze the ribbon together and the end still has plenty of room so that it does not go straight again. So see, if you look where my hand's placed, I have a little bit of the end so that I can secure it nicely in the pipe cleaner and it will stay below the pipe cleaner so that I'll have a nice bow. So just make a loop, pinch it tight, gather it together, and then place it with the other loops. And I like to alternate colors. And then if you want to make a bigger bow, you can make your strips longer than 16 inches if you want, but same steps. Just make a loop, make sure the end of the loop has some extra, like 1.5 inches or so that it stays in a loop and doesn't pull out. Simple, simple, simple bow, and it turns out so pretty. Try to make your loops the same size each time. Kind of check and compare with your previous loop to make sure they're all about the same size. So just make a loop, pinch it tightly in your hand, and then add it to the other loops. Now this is very important to take your pipe cleaner and get it tight around the ribbon. So make sure you get it nice and tight just below the loops, very tight, and give it a few twists. And now you're ready to fluff the loops on your bow. Just remember that ribbon with wire makes the best bows. It's easier to work with. The loops just stand up and they keep their shape a lot better. So you'll want to get ribbon with wire for your bows and just fluff your loops and separate them. Just kind of play with your bow until you get it shaped just like you want. And then here I'm dovetailing the ends. So take your ribbon, fold it in half with your edges to the left side, go to your fold, cut away from the fold, and there you have your pretty V. I am adding this bow to a wreath, and I will upload the wreath tutorial soon for you, but I just took the pipe cleaners and wrapped them tightly around the wreath, then went to the back and gave them a few twists. And then make sure you fluff your loops and kind of make sure your bow's shaped like you want. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share.